plastic scraper set. My project today is removing the diamond shield from the front cap of my motor home. To do this, I have a couple of things to aid me. Of course, I do have the scrapers, and I also have a steamer. The steamer helps loosen the material that's adhered to the front cap, and once it's releasing, I can then use the scraper to help get it off in larger areas. So I just soak it a little bit, keep that steam going underneath it there so it'll rise up. With the ABN Plastic Chisel scraper, it makes this job a whole lot easier. As you can see, it's coming off rather easily and not damaging the paint. These also can be reused over and over. One of the things that's unique about it is that you can take the chisel and actually, while you're using it, if it becomes difficult or not sharp for you to remove the film, then what you're going to do is you're going to use sandpaper to actually grind a new point. So I place sandpaper on the front of the motorhome, as you see here, and you simply just take the chisel and rub it on scrape it against the grain of the sandpaper, and then a finer sandpaper to develop the point. And then you're back to work. So I have seen these chisels used until they're about 3 inches long, so they're very durable. I hope you enjoyed this review.